Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Warzone is not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. First step is to update the graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause launching issues. To do this, you just need to open up a GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed out here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, just to close off here. The second step is to verify game files. Corrupted game files can prevent the game from launching. To verify the game files, you just need to open up Steam. Right click on the Warzone 2 and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. If you are using battle.net, then you just need to open the battle.net client and go to your game tab and click on the Warzone 2 and click on the clock wheel icon next to the play button and select scan and repair. After doing it, just to close off here. The third step is to disable overlay applications. Overlay application can interfere with the game. You just need to disable overlays from applications like Discord, GeForce Experience, and Steam. To do this, open up Discord, select the user setting icon. On the left side, you just need to scroll down. You can able to see game overlay. Enable in-game overlay, you just need to toggle it off. After that, just to close up here. To disable GeForce Experience overlay, you just need to open up GeForce Experience and select the setting icon. In here scroll down, in here you can able to see in-game overlay. You just need to toggle it off. After doing it, just to close up here. Now you need to disable in Steam guys. Open up Steam, right click on the Warzone 2 and select properties. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. You just need to toggle it off. After that, just to close up here. The fourth step is to close background applications. Other applications running in the background can cause conflicts. To close that, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. In processes tab, you just need to end task unnecessary task running in the background, especially resource heavy applications. After closing that, just to close tab here. The fifth step is to update Windows. Ensure your operating system is up to date. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. The sixth step is to set launch options. Setting specific launch options can help resolve conflicts. To do this, open up Steam. Go to library, right click on the Warzone 2 and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Under the launch options, paste it and click on outside to save it. And then just to close it off here. The seventh step is to reinstall the game. If all else fails, reinstalling the game can resolve persistent issues. To do this, you just need to uninstall the Warzone from Steam or battle.net. Open up Steam. Go to library, right click on the Warzone 2 and select manage and select uninstall it. After getting uninstalled, and you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, reinstall the game from Steam or battle.net. The eighth step is to check for conflicting software. Certain software can conflict with the game. You just need to temporarily disable or uninstall third-party antivirus programs. You just need to check for software that might interfere with the game, such as other gaming software or utilities. The ninth step is to update DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Make sure you have the latest version of DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. To do this, you just need to check my video description for the download link. Just need to scroll down and select the language and select the download option. And another one is Visual C++. Scroll down. If you are using 64-bit, then you just need to click on this link and download it. If you are using 32-bit, then you just need to click on this link. After getting download done, you just need to install the both application. After getting done, you just need to restart your PC guys. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Warzone 2 not launching problem and get back to playing the game. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.